What is your mark?
I just put a 6 in the 4 like I'm Rick Ross. I'ma record that bitch when we fuck, making TikToks. Got my shawty in them St. Laurents, not a flip flops. I'ma fuck her on the beach, yeah, I love that backdrop. Bitch tryna talk to me, but I don't want that shit back. I just came with bro, nah, he ain't about to get his shit back. I'm about to eat her out, told that bitch to sit back. I'm off a perk, yeah, I get them just like TikTok. Yeah, you wanna know a quick fact? Go get your money up, VVS is on her ear ring like I'm honeyed up. Looking at the cash that they fucking stack, nah, it ain't enough. I just smoke a pack, yeah, she got big tits, yeah, I like to call that shit Rex.
Bitch, I wanna buy you the world. I'ma do it, I'ma get the money. Used to be dope sick, my nose running. Now I get you at the mall, clothes pick. What you want? Shit, my bank account. What you want, babe? You a diva in my heart like you Shante. Turn my head up from Sunday to Monday. Fuck it, bitch, you on my head all week. And that head game, this shit ain't weak. Had me leaving, ask me more, I'm a fucking fiend. Had me forgetting my problems like a fucking bean. But I could express my emotions through the fucking beat. On a finger, you fidgety and fed at me. My time, my big bitch said killing me and I'ma take my line. And that shit keep me up, I be doing fine. But when I wear it off, I just think about your love. When I wear it off, I just think about your love. Feel like flies, just birds, like a dove.